Alright, now it's going to be these 13 mil bolts and the 10 mil 12 points. So these you can just right now the 13 mil. Actually, before you take that off, you need to remove the dog bone to allow the engine to sway forward so that you can remove it from the back. Once it's lowered, you take your RS tool and you put the top half over the drive shaft and up against this weld right there. And these don't require a lot of force, just nice and snug. Then you'll also need a hammer. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to hammer from here to pop it out from the transfer case. But you can pry right here. If you have stock motor mounts, this will be really easy. This car has upgraded mounts, so it's actually quite hard to do. Alright, and then just hammer on this thing.